Are you looking for the best beach wagons? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best beach wagons on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Beau Jardin Folding Beach Wagon. This is as close to a perfect beach wagon as we can get. It required almost no assembly, was light to pull, and storing it was as simple as folding it closed. To use it, simply open and unfold. It has 3 different cup holders and compartments, as well as space to hold smaller items to stay organized. This is a simple, sturdy beach wagon that we feel comfortable taking to a day at the beach as well as on a camping trip. When we choose our beach wagons, we're looking for functionality in maneuvering and packing, as well as simplicity and ease of use. We'd recommend this to anyone looking for a beach wagon, but particularly someone who doesn't have a ton of storage space and needs something reliable that stores easily, in a compact manner. We were also fans of the wide handle lever as well as the expandable integrated cup holders. The details: 34.3 by 20 by 26.4 inches, 25 pounds, 350 pound weight capacity, polyester and steel. Number 2. Radio Flyer 3-in-1 Wagon with Canopy. This wagon took just a few minutes to set up and was easy to operate, fold, and wheel around. With high seat backs and thick padding inside, it's an excellent option for transporting pets and small children. The wagon felt sturdy and durable enough to handle even the most wiggly animals. We also like that one side can be zipped open to allow for easy loading and unloading. This is a game changer for people who want to tote around large dogs that might have trouble jumping inside themselves. The overhead canopy is also a nice touch to offer some relief from the sun. During testing, we found that the wheels pulled smoothly through sand and over other kinds of terrain. The details: 39.4 by 21.3 by 40.8 inches, 23 pounds, 150 pound weight capacity, plastic, stainless steel. Number 3. Timber Ridge Collapsible Wagon. Packing this wagon was a total breeze. It has tall walls and a spacious interior when it's unfolded, and to collapse it, you simply compress the sides, remove the support insert, and buckle the straps around the outside. It stores flat lying down or standing up, and felt simple and secure to unfold in a matter of seconds. We got plenty of sand inside this wagon during the testing period, and since most of it was on the removable insert, we simply took the insert out and shook everything off. We had an SUV packed with all of our vacation gear and were able to tuck this collapsed wagon into the trunk easily, making it an excellent option for bringing on vacation as well as day trips. The full capacity is 225 pounds, and while we never loaded it that full, we're confident in its durability, and no matter how much we packed it, it was easy to roll on a variety of surfaces. It still looks and works great after 3 months of real-world testing. The details: 32.3 by 24.8 by 19.7 inches, 21 pounds, 225 pound weight capacity, nylon, steel, and rubber. Number 4. Bob Gear Renegade Wagon. The shade canopy, adjustable safety straps, and collapsible handle all worked smoothly right off the bat, and continued to feel sturdy and safe during our entire testing period. The wagon steers and rolls without issue, and we had plenty of comments about how classy it looked during our outings. It rolled just as well over gravelly surfaces as it did through hard-packed sand, though it was a little tougher to keep moving over deep, soft sand. If you have to make your kids get out and walk for a few yards, so be it. Once this wagon was assembled, folding it and storing it was easy. The materials all felt well made, and we loved the cup holders as well as the trays for the kiddos. The details: 49.62 by 28.61 by 27.83 inches, 40 pounds, 165 pound weight capacity, nylon, plastic, steel, and rubber. Number 5. Whitsunday Collapsible Folding Cart. While the wheel size was a bit smaller than we were expecting, and smaller than other wagons we've tested, we were impressed with how sturdy and maneuverable this wagon felt during our beach and pool days. That said, it was slightly trickier to get through sand than a wagon with bigger wheels, but the compact size and incredible ease of setup makes up for it. This wagon came ready to go out of the box, and took less than 1 minute to fully set up. Once set up, it felt secure and safe for bringing the family out, and it folded up easily for transport and storage. We recommend this for anyone who wants to load and unload items quickly, or has a lot on their plate and doesn't want to worry about a complicated breakdown and setup of their transport situation. We pulled this through grass and sand, across pavement, and up and down slopes and felt confident the whole time. The details: 29.1 by 18.5 by 35.8 inches, 23.5 pounds, 300-pound weight capacity, nylon and steel.